Hi guys, so I have the Sephora Play for the month of March and also a daily goodie box. So I wanted to do both unboxings for you guys. So first up is the Sephora Play. As always, you get 50 extra bonus points if you go into a Sephora store and buy something. You can actually add these onto your points and then actually use those points for deluxe size products. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this month's bag. This is super cute. It says beauty is my spirit animal. I think I'm really going to love using this one just because I like the color. It's different. It's blue, and then I love when it has different kind of like quotes and little sayings on it. So let's see what is in this month's bag for me. And first thing that I see in here is the Boxycharm Plump Line Lip Liner, and this looks like a really great size. Oh, it is. Okay, so this is the one that I got, and this is in the shade Hush Hush. So let me go ahead and swatch that. This shade is right up my alley. It's a beautiful kind of like pinky nude shade. This is something that I will definitely try out. It says plump and defined built-in brush for blending and contouring. Oh, okay, so it has a little brush on the other end, and oh, it does. It blends out really nicely with the brush. So definitely will be trying this out. Probably will wear it to work tomorrow. I think you get a good amount for coming in the $10 Sephora Play, and I do pay for this one with my own money just in case, FYI. And then next thing in here is the Mara Joe Hair Care, and this comes with a shampoo and it's a cleansing cream and a deep treatment butter. So we'll definitely try this on my hair. Probably might try it tonight because Mama's in deep need of really washing this hair. And it comes with 0.23 fluid ounces, so this is probably for about like one-time use for my hair, but definitely might, you know, who knows, it might impress me. Next thing in here is a Sephora waterproof contour eye pencil. I've gotten quite a few of these. I think I got like a blue one, a black one, and this one is a, what color is this? Kind of like a cream color. This is in the shade, let me just pop this out of here. Okay, Melissa, you just broke it for trying to get it out the hard way. Okay, I broke it. I just tried to like force it out and broke the little end, but I will definitely just glue that back on just so I see the color. This is in the color Blonde Ambition, and this is a nice kind of just like nice golden light color, so I really like that. I think this will look nice as a pop of color, except for the fact that I broke it just trying to force it out of the packaging instead of just opening it like a normal person would. Next thing in here is the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin. This is a volumizing spray. This comes with 0.75 fluid ounces, and it says it's a strengthening from roots, and it gives volume as well. So definitely will try this out. I really like this brand. I've tried quite a few things from all kinds of different boxes from them, and I really enjoy it, and I've yet to buy anything from them. Next thing in here is the Lancome. This is the foaming cleansing makeup remover. This was a really tiny one, but I think I can get at least like 2 uses out of this and see if it's any good. Usually Lancome is really nice. Next thing in here is the, what is this? The Dr. Jart BB Beauty Balm. And this is a multi-action skincare, and it's also makeup. It has an SPF of 45. I wonder, oh, this is light medium, so hopefully this will match me. Not sure. Oh god, this almost looks like, I don't know, that shade looks really weird. I would definitely have to use this underneath foundation because it would almost make me look kind of like dead to wear this color. It's almost like grayish undertoned, which is not cute. And okay, and that is it for my bag. So I definitely have to say the things that I'm looking forward to using are especially this Buxom and the spray. Those are really nice sizes. The Lancome and the eyeliner, I'm just like eh. And then the Dr. Jart, I will definitely see if this even matches my skin tone because I think it's a little too dark. And this is just so I think it's just like an okay box this month. I'm not like fully impressed. Next thing is the daily goodie box. I finally got another box. I have been signed on to them and just waiting to see if I get one or not. Sometimes I get one, sometimes I don't. So this is the little card that came in. It says, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account to share your thoughts. So this is a free subscription. I've been subscribed to them and I've gotten a few boxes and then I don't. So I don't know like what determines if you get one, and then you log in and try to give like your opinion on things. So first thing in here are ginger shoes. And I can already tell you that I will not be trying these because I hate ginger. It's too spicy for me. I am not a fan of it, so I will definitely be giving this to someone who will. Next thing in here is a protein snack mix, and this is sweet barbecue. It has 12 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and it's 125 calories. So this seems really nice. I've never seen this brand before. It's K's. Let me know if you guys have seen this. Let me go ahead and taste one and see what it tastes like. Okay, it smells like barbecue chips. This is really good. It just tastes like just like barbecue chips, so I like that. Next thing in here is the Prince and Spring organic coconut oil. I am such a fan of coconut oil. I used it on my belly when I was pregnant and I just like it for my skin. I'm not really a fan of using it on my face, but I do like using it on my body, and I like cooking with it as well. So, oh, I thought it was a bottle, but apparently are there like packets, like individual packets. So let me see, what does it say? Okay, so it says that you can use it for cooking, body moisturizer, shaving cream, lip balm, oil pulling, a coffee creamer, makeup remover, hair conditioner, furniture polish, or a massage oil. And it's paleo, vegan, and gluten-free. And it says you get 16 single serve packets, so you can use it like, let's say, one for your skin and then you can use one for cooking. So I like this. Definitely will be using this a lot because like I said, I love coconut oil either for my body or for cooking. Next thing in here is, it says Vita Energy Winter Green Flavor. These are boost energy and freshen your breath. I will definitely put this in my bag for work. These are sugar-free. Comes with 20 pieces, and yeah, supposedly it has a ton of vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and it actually has 40 grams of or 40 milligrams of caffeine. So definitely we'll see if these taste any good. It's nighttime right now, so I'm not gonna pop one of those and just be like hyper before going to bed. Next thing in here is a Andalou Naturals Beauty is Renewal face cream. So this is nice. It comes probably like with 1 or 2 uses in here. Then I have a Herb Grow Tropical Immunity Herbal Tea. Definitely we'll see if this tastes good. I like that it says tropical, but the herbal tea kind of puts me off, so we'll see. The good thing is it only has 60 calories. It says it has orange peel, ginger, pineapple, kiwi, peppermint, and licorice root and lemon. I don't know, there's 2 of those that don't call to me, which is the ginger and the licorice. Next thing in here is the Hydrolyte Clinical Hydration Rapid Results. These are dissolve tablets that you put into water. So it says sticky or dry mouth, increased thirst, decreased urine output, dark yellow urine, lethargy, loss of skin elasticity, irritability, and headaches are all signs of dehydration and like signs that you should probably take one of these. So we'll definitely try these and see if I can ultra hydrate myself, especially now since I've been breastfeeding. Oh my god, like you are so dehydrated all the time no matter how much water you take. Your baby just sucks it up from you. So so definitely we'll see if these taste good and how I feel if they actually really help with hydration. And oh, and then there's another one of these. So you got 2 of these little face creams. Next thing in here is the Sun and Earth Cleans Better Naturally. So this is kind of like a natural on-the-go spot remover for taking out any kind of stains. So it says it has natural enzymes to break down stains and safe on most fabrics, pet friendly, safe for babies, so I will definitely try this on my child's clothes. I don't know how good it will be because trust me, when you have a child, you get some stains that ain't nothing taking that crap out. So definitely we'll see if this works. And last thing in here are some like different coupons that it comes with depending on where you use them, and especially some of the products that are in here, so that is nice. And that is it for the box of daily goodie box. Let me know if you guys have signed up for daily goodie box. Have you received one? Do you receive one every month, or do you get them just sporadically like I do? I'd love to hear back from you guys. Also, let me know your opinion on the Sephora Play. What did you get? I'd love to hear back and hear what you guys got. Sometimes I think I should maybe retake the test because there are days that I'm like, I don't really like what's in here. Oh my god, this thing has just like become so pinky undertone. It looks horrible. This is the Dr. Jart one, so I think I'm gonna just give that along to someone else. And yeah, that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until next time. Bye guys.